It's been raining nonstop for 3 days. So I was planning on doing yard work today while Jason and Jaylene are out of town, but unfortunately it's raining outside and it's in the 30s, so I don't want to be out in that. What I am doing today is working on my bathroom and my bedroom. I'm putting up more of the shiplap. I'm gonna go back and paint over it. So let's go check out what I've been doing so far. So I'm in the bathroom now, right above the shower. You can see the wood on the wall. I'm going back over it with our fake shiplap that we made just by ripping boards. And you can see right here where I started painting it. I definitely need to put a couple more coats on there. You can still see the gray. If you're wondering what the heck that is and you haven't seen our other videos, so we have the plywood behind it, as you can see right there. And whenever we painted it white, you can still see the plywood through here. So I'm redneck, and I was like, why not spray paint and get that all looking real dark, and then we'll go back over and paint it, which is what we did in the bedroom here, and you can see it actually came out pretty well. But I still need to go back and finish putting up the wood up top, and then hit it with a few coats of paint, and then it should be one step closer to being finished. I brought my plants back inside just to give them a quick watering. You can see here that we have some of the tomato plants that are growing in pretty well. It is still cold outside. It's on and off. It's Texas. One day it's 80 degrees. The next day it's 30 degrees, but you can see that they're still doing pretty well. Tomorrow I believe it's supposed to be in the 60s, sunny, so I'm going to put them back out in my greenhouse on the front porch, which we showed you guys in the other video. In the crock pot here, you can see we got the potatoes and onions in there. Underneath is the nail guy. I plan on cooking it on low temperature for probably 10 to 12 hours overnight. I'll turn it off whenever I'm getting ready for work in the morning. Then over here, this is my little compost bin. Basically every week I just fill it up with coffee grounds. I have some just oatmeal in there, other things that I'm going to put in the compost pile, but for now I just keep it in here, and like I said, I empty it out every week into the compost pile outside in the garden. The chickens and ducks have been busy while Jason and them are gone. I haven't been able to eat any yet, but here is about 3 days worth of eggs for us. They have been laying like crazy. We have all the brown chicken eggs over here, another section of the brown here, and these right here are our duck eggs. Yes, they're still dirty. I'm not planning on cleaning them until we're about to eat them, but this is my favorite type. This one is a darker brown one. I believe Jaylena showed you guys pictures or in a video of the black chicken that we had that lays these dark eggs. These are really, really tasty. So now it's time to check on the baby chicks. They are about a week and a half old. We got them from Canton Trade Days. They were, I believe, $2 a piece. We do have 9 of them. There are 4 different types of breeds. I bought a bin from Walmart. It was roughly $10. And then I went to Tractor Supply and got a heat lamp, which was a total of about $15, along with an additional $6 to $7 for the shavings on the bottom. think it's time for me to get back to work. I'll update you guys when I'm done. So I was able to add a couple more sheets of the wood up there and get it painted. I definitely need to go back and paint it a couple more times, give it about 2 more coats of paint. You can still see at the top, I need to add another board up there. And then also on this side, I need to add another board just above the shower. The saw that I have is out in the barn and it is raining pretty bad, so I'm not able to go out there and get it. I'll probably end up finishing this off tomorrow. But it's starting to come along. I still have quite a bit to do. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do another coat of paint. Probably get that done tonight and then try to finish this project up tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the update on my bedroom and my bathroom. Like I said, that there's still a lot of work to be done. I have to go back and do a couple more coats of paint. It's still gloomy outside and wet and rainy, so I'm gonna go feed the animals and I will check back in tomorrow.